In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download books on iPhone. To begin, you need to open the Books app on your iPhone. Look for the app icon, which resembles an open book. This is the central hub for all your reading needs. Once the app is open, you will see a clean interface that invites you to explore a variety of books. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for the entire process. By accessing the Books app, you can enjoy a seamless reading experience tailored to your iPhone. Next, you will need to tap on either the bookstore or the search option at the bottom of the screen. The bookstore offers a curated selection of popular titles, while the search option allows you to find specific books quickly. Choosing one of these will help you navigate through the vast collection available to you. This matters because it gives you access to a wide range of literature, from bestsellers to hidden gems. Now it's time to find the book you want. You can browse through categories or use the search bar to type in the title or author directly. As you scroll, you will see book covers along with their descriptions. This visual aspect enhances your browsing experience, making it easier to decide what to read next. Pay attention to the ratings and reviews, as they can guide your choice. Finding the right book is important because it can significantly enhance your reading pleasure. After locating your desired book, you will need to tap on Buy to purchase it or Get for a free book. If you choose to buy, ensure you have your payment method set up in your Apple ID. This step is essential as it finalizes your intention to acquire the book. If it's a free book, tapping Get will allow you to download it instantly. This makes the process simple and user-friendly, ensuring that you can quickly start reading what you love. Once you've completed the purchase or download, the book will automatically download to your library for offline reading. You can access your library from the main screen of the Books app. This step matters because it ensures that you can read your books anytime, anywhere, without needing an internet connection. Your downloaded books will be readily available at your fingertips, which makes for a convenient reading experience. In summary, downloading books on your iPhone through the Books app is an efficient and enjoyable process. Each step is designed to guide you seamlessly from opening the app to having your new book ready for reading. Remember that you have access to a wealth of knowledge and stories right in your pocket. Enjoy your reading journey knowing that each step brings you closer to exploring new worlds through literature.